Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. As you can see behind me, we have installed our gate opener and closer. Also see the storm that's coming. So let's turn around and take a look at this. This opener is from Ghost Controls. It was fairly easy for us to install. Us, I say us, my husband. I just helped a little bit. He added some strength to it by putting the control boxes on a piece of steel, the arms on a piece of steel, and then he added a piece of steel to make sure it lined up once we closed it. So we have a, what do you call it, with two, a bi-level opener? What?
Bi-folding opener, dual gate opener.
Dual gate opener. Okay. So we have the dual gate openers. One gate you can only have a certain length. Not really sure. Ghost Controls will tell you that. Our gate, we split it in two on purpose because of our fifth wheel, just to make sure that we can get in. As you can see, the one gate opens first, and then the other one, and it'll do the opposite when they close. We have no power. Ours is all battery powered, solar powered. It's quiet. It can beep, but we somehow turned the beeping part off. So all in all, it's a pretty good system. Got the man over here.
Yeah, not too shabby, pretty easy to install. Instructions were simple. We did it a little different based on our fence needs and adding some steel and mounting our hardware and all the controls to it. So it's a little different for us, but so far we like it. We'll see how it lasts. Let's put it that way. And everything, it's got a lifetime warranty on it, so we'll see how it goes.
Yep, we'll see how this storm goes on whether it's pretty waterproof, yeah?
Yep.
But we've had sideways rain coming the last week.
All directions.
Yep. It's been crazy up here. We had a tornado warning yesterday. Did you see that? I wasn't home. I was shopping.
Yeah.
That's why my hair's all...
coming in right now behind us. So.
Yeah. All right, well, thanks for joining us, and make sure you like and subscribe, and we will catch you guys on the next one. And thank you, Ghost Control. I know we're not sponsored, but we are going to tag you. All right.